Hey yo, what's up guys? In this video I'm to show you how to get free tokens in your Blooket accounts. Please follow this method step by step to this method, it's work. Now I open a new tab and I search www.go token pro. As you can see, go token pro. I press enter and this page is loading. As you can see, token events offer 3000 tokens. I enter my Blooket username, the box one, as you can see, and I press generate. Generating, it's running. Don't close or refresh the page. You can find your Blooket username here. As you can see, my name is the box one, and I have 10 tokens now. As you can see, token events is success. Status, this is a website status online, last update 2 days ago, online user. This is recent activity. As you can see, this website is work on any device, Android, iOS. Now I use my computer for this tutorial, but you can use any device. As you can see, this is use desktop, this is use desktop, and this is use iOS. Token events, we sending resource. Now this is people comments, this is voting, people vote, it's work for you, yes or no. It's almost done guys. Generating resource. As you can see, success. The box one connected, resource ready, transfer to user. You don't like a robot, please verify that you are a human. Click the verify button below and follow the instruction. Don't scare it guys, just verify now. And as you can see, human verification request, verify survey. Sorry for your typical country, take 2 minutes. Now just complete one of this survey to receive the reward. You can select here view more for more survey. You can select one of this survey and select this survey. And as you can see, follow the instructions. Send the CMC to this number. Now I put the video on pause because I can send the CMC and recording at the same time, but I will be back in 2 minutes. Good guys, I am back. As you can see, now I send the CMC on this number. Now I want to check this is finished. I enter on this, and as we can see, this is finished. Now you can close all page, and as you can see, I am on my Blooket page, and congratulations, you won 3,000 tokens. I press climb, and now I have 3,000 tokens and 10 tokens in my Blooket account. I want to check this on buy all one package. I buy this package, yes, and as you can see guys, it's work fine. Please follow this video step by step. Please like and subscribe, and bye bye.